You may notice that there is a vacant space around here. That's because I've taken apart the Shaolin completely. Hey guys, so today we are planning to take apart the Shaolin. So for that I have to move the Zen somewhere over there. I'm planning to take it apart where such a beautiful sunlight. Sunsets are really beautiful in Kerala. So if I go to the roof of my house, I will get a much better view of the sunset. But isn't that beautiful? Wow. You may notice that there is a vacant space around here. That's because I've taken apart the Shaolin completely. So that seat will go to the seat guy. The engine I'll start dismantling once the parts are here. So I'm not touching that as of now. The tank condition so far looks good. So this is going for paint. The chassis and all these bits are also going for paint. I'm not giving it for powder coating because honestly it would require a lot of effort if I give it for powder coating, because I'll have to strip the entire thing. So I don't have that kind of a time on this. So this will go through painting. Then you will notice that along with the Shaolin covers, I've also kept a Shogun cover. This is because I don't throw anything out, and turns out this particular cover has a hole where leg is supposed to be. So I have an original cover lying around, so this is also repaired, but this is repaired well, so I'll use this instead of a broken cover. Plus these tail pieces have all the tabs broken, so I've kept all the tabs where to the cover that they belong to. And now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to stick these. So I have this bonding material whose name I always forget, that I got from US. So I'll use that for fixing these tabs, and they will get fixed pretty well. So here are the things which are going for plating. So the front fork, I'll completely dismantle those tomorrow, and I'll just have the bottom ends and I'll give those for maybe plating. The mudguard and the silencer will also go for plating. Plus there is a bag of plated nuts and bolts which is kept here. So these will go for plating. These will go for zinc dipping. So zinc dipping is a very good way of restoring old and worn out nuts and bolts. I'm also thinking of getting the chain dipped. So I've cleaned it with some petrol. Now I need to give it for dipping, so that will happen most likely on Monday or Tuesday. So tomorrow I'll take apart the fork and I'll keep everything ready. So now I just need to clean this area. Look at the way the floor looks. So if my wife sees this, then I'll be in big trouble. So I have to clean it ASAP and then arrange everything in certain places. I might keep most of the stuff which are going to go for painting, all the black stuff, in the Zen, and probably I'll take the Zen tomorrow to give everything for painting. I'll wait for the body panels and tank to be painted till I get the stickers for the body panel, otherwise it would be a waste. In the meantime, I'll fix the tail panels. The chain cover I'll give along with the engine parts because they are of the same color. All the silver I'll give together, like the hubs and stuff, so that will be given separately. So yeah, that is a plan. So hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like what you see, then like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Good night.